Hello, today I'll be baking cookies with my grandma, or what I call my Oma, because Oma is grandma in German. There's my grandma right here.
Hello.
And there's my aunt,
Hello.
Monica. And she's gonna be my video person. What we have here, we're gonna bake oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. First, I already put this in the bowl, but first you would like to take 1 cup of butter. So I have that foremost stevia, unsalted, I think. And if you have that like I do, then just split it in half. If it's too hot or whatever, just put it in the microwave. And you could use a whisk to beat that all up, but I use a beater because it's way better. And we changed stations. See, my grandma's beating up that stuff with an electric beater, and I'm gonna do the flour and the dry stuff. So, first thing, after you just beat the flour and brown sugar first. Oh, and 2 cups of brown sugar. That's gonna be on the recipe, which I'm gonna give you. So, here we go. Okay, so. Almost stop. So, next, we have 2 eggs. Get out 2 white eggs, or it doesn't matter what color, and crack them into the bowl.
Yeah. Now you crack them first in a cup, in case they're bad. Otherwise you ruin the whole thing.
It's okay.
It's okay? You have more sugar and butter?
It's okay. These eggs are fine. Not yet, Oma.
Well, I want to stir one in first.
Okay. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, now, actually first, because I'm going to make this dirty and wet, okay. So first I'm going to put in the baking soda. So baking powder, baking powder, scoop out 1 tablespoon. It's best if you have something like this, a sifter, a small sifter, because you could get out all the lumps.
Okay.
So, in a smaller bowl, whatever. Okay, so next, you want to take, after your 1 teaspoon of baking powder, you're going to take out some baking soda. If you're wondering why I do not have a recipe, is I remember this recipe really good. So, baking soda, you want to have half a teaspoon. And after you get your 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of baking soda, you just pop that right in there. And it's okay.
You mix it together.
And next, vanilla extract. Once you have that,
1 teaspoon.
Take 1 teaspoon out, and I'm putting your dry. This is dry baking soda, flour, oatmeal, and
no, you put it in here. In the
baking powder. It's okay, Oma. And so you want it in your wet, of course. You're gonna have wet ingredients. You can have your butter, one cup, then brown sugar, 2 cups. If you don't have enough brown sugar, I guess a little bit of white sugar is fine, like I kind of did. And then your 2 eggs, and then your 1 teaspoon now of vanilla. So just and then just put that in a sink. So yeah, you can do that on one, and then I'm gonna put this in away. I'm gonna put this stuff away. I don't eat that anymore. And next, you want to take out white flour and then have 2 cups. So take out 2 cups.
Okay.
And you want to put that in there.
Mix it with something else?
No.
Well,
Yeah, we're putting it with oatmeal.
la la.
So,
Mix together equal amount.
so we put the flour away. No, you want to get oatmeal. Oatmeal. Yeah, whatever. So, oatmeal, and have 2 cups again, but I'm putting your dry ingredients because this is dry. And after that, you can take a spoon or whatever and stir it. Then after, I will stir everything together, and then after put your 2 cups of chocolate chips in. Yeah, just use that spoon. Thank you, Grandma. Then spoon, but I'm gonna mix it all together after. Okay, you can unplug that, Grandma. We're done with that. And then unplug it.
Oh.
Unplug it, Grandma. And we're gonna mix that. And we're gonna put the speed away.
Okay,
Okay,
go.
so after
This goes
you
in.
mix your stuff, take the beater stuff out, or take your whisk or whatever out, and you pour that in there. And then you want to mix.
Okay.
So, I do it.
Okay. Oh yeah, you're strong man.
Yeah. So, you might take out, you might hurt after because it's a bit tricky. So, come in closer.
Oh, you roll it down here?
And so you just want to mix all that.
The right consistency by the master baker.
Usually a bag of like chocolate chips I'm going to show you is about 2 cups. You can use more if you want, or if you want less, you can use less. So, after do that, I'm just going to mix this for a while. So, but after you do that, I'm going to put the chocolate chips in right now.
Ja, is dit nog wat je onder hier?
So I have these chocolate chips, Chip-Its, Hershey's. So I'm just gonna pour this whole bag in,
Wow.
and almost gonna have a chocolate chip. And you want to mix this whole thing. And then when you want to, I decide not to because might as well not. You can if you want. You want to already preheat your oven, you can, 350. And get cookie sheets out, grease them, unless you have a grease red sheet or whatever like I do. Then you can. Yeah. So after you mix all these hunking chocolate chips in there, then you be prepared to go.
Wow. You need an electric beater.
We already used that. We don't need that anymore. The beater's broke. They're dying, so we don't want that. Okay, I'm actually finished this. So, I'm gonna go over here. Come, a video person, and come on, Auntie Monica, don't be shy. And it's okay, good, Oma. So, after, take out your sheets. These are red grease sheets.
We put this in the middle of the sheet. This little fella goes in the middle of the sheet.
So come over here.
Ooh.
Come on, Grandma. So watch the specialist do this. So first,
Special paper.
we want to preheat the oven to 350 and bake. And we're gonna move over here. It's okay, Oma. Get out. Sorry. Just get out of my way. So first, you can use your hand or whatever. Take some cookie dough. And you can make them any size you want.
It's so good.
Or make them half size. If you want cookies, make them a little bit less.
Yeah. Close up.
And
What do you take? A teaspoon? Oh, take your fingers.
You just want to put all these cookies on.
Don't set them too tight. And then they run
It's okay,
into
Mom.
each other.
I know, you reminded me of that a long time ago. So, I'm just gonna put these on, which will take a bit, so. Get all those cookies together now. If you have extra dough like I do, you want to take any other pan, I have a circular pan or whatever, and this one is not greased, so take some grease, and
Grease from grease.
take some oil
Spray.
and pop it open and spray, of course, and then after put more dough on and then put it in the oven. So those cookies are ready. Oven's ready. We're going to open up the oven if you may. We're gonna put both of them in, and we're gonna leave the lid. Close the lid, and we're gonna put them in for 11 minutes and 30 seconds, I guess, and stir. So now we're gonna want to put throw this other tray up with them. Okay, so there's lots of oil on there, like my video clip by just taking a paper towel.
That's the right amount.
Put dough on it. These cookies tend to be the best. They're not crunchy. They're nice and soft.
The best.
If they look like too
And the
doughy
best.
when they come out, don't worry, because I'll show you. I'll show you what I mean.
You mean they're soft inside?
Yeah, they're nice and soft, not crunchy.
Not crunchy cookies. Soft. High cookies.
So, yeah. Next, over here, you're gonna take some cooling racks, because you don't want to eat hot cookies. Trust me, you don't.
Okay.
There's two, and I have one more.
Okay.
3 is good for the amount we made.
Ooh.
So
Ooh.
this high one. So I want here's some sugar. So I'm just gonna. So you ready, Oma? Taste these delicious
Where
Oatmeal
is it?
chocolate chip cookies.
Where is it?
What is it? It's in the oven. Okay, there's the timer. Timer beeps. Do those look ready? Maybe 30 seconds. When the cookies are done, take your other tray of cookie dough, because you're gonna put that in the oven. So, when you feel like 12 minutes, when that's up, those look right. So, you have your pair of mitts. Make sure you don't
Is it color high?
Make sure you have mitts. You're gonna
It's
burn
not
yourself.
too pale.
It's okay, Mama. That's what they're supposed to look like. You don't want them too crunchy. Some people do. If you like them crunchy, just leave them. You take them out. You're gonna put them on the oven.
On the oven. Okay. Then you put the other in.
Now we're gonna put the second tray of cookies in. Close the lid. And timer. Let's just do 12 minutes.